So if you want to ride the, what are those called?
Something gliders.
So if you want to ride the chairlift, basically, I think it's $7 per person to ride the chairlift. And then the SkyGazer, which is their giant Ferris wheel, that is also $7 or $8 to ride that too. But away we go. All right, so this is the flyer, and it is $6 for one way and $9 for two ways, or for both ways. And so we're just gonna enjoy a one-way ride so we can get to the other side and then try to find some rides and all that good stuff. But enjoy the view.
Down for me, take a sip of paradise. Here below the lights, all the people looking up. Overhead a billion fires reflecting in my eyes. We got everything we need. I got you and you got me. We can dance until the lights fall down. I feel alive, I got forever in my eyes. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything when you're by my side. Another ultraviolet night. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything. All the stops, runaways, we're looking up, chasing another sign. All we do is ride, soaking up the painted sky. Overhead a billion fires, reflecting in your eyes. We got everything we need. I got you and you got me. We can dance until the lights fall down. I feel alive, I got forever in my eyes. This is all I need. Oh, I got everything when you're by my side. Another ultraviolet night. This is all I need.
right, so the State Flyer, it is about a 10-minute ride one way. Pretty relaxing, nice, smooth chairlift. A lot of fun. Watching everything from the sky. I think if it was nighttime, it'd be a lot cooler if the rides were going and all the flashy lights and all that good stuff, but I'll just have to come back up one night at night so I can see it. All right, so that's it for our day at the State Fair, day one. So hopefully you guys are seeing this early enough that you can come and enjoy the North Carolina State Fair, the 2022 State Fair. I tried to get, you know, footage walking around, and I tried to get footage of the rides in motion, but there wasn't a whole lot of people here, so sometimes the rides weren't going even after waiting for a couple minutes. So it's a good time to come during the day when everybody's supposed to be in school. So if you want to just plow through all the rides and all that good stuff, I would come during the day. Like I said, opens at 8 or 9 on various days, depending on what day it is. And I hope you enjoyed the video and enjoyed going to the State Fair with us. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my video and to the channel. And until next time, have a great day.